Doogee has announced the VMAX LR Pro. This device is actually not available yet, so don't bother to look for it, but the device is expected to launch before the end of June, or most likely maybe in early July. Anyway, two features makes this device unique. One is its immensely large battery capacity. The device packs a massive 30,000 mAh battery, guys. It is almost as large as the battery of the Oukitel WP100 Titan. Additionally, the phone also features a laser rangefinder. This phone also packs a 1200 lumens camping light, guys, so it's loaded. Anyway, other features of the device includes the Dimensity 7400 chipset. It has 12GB RAM and 1TB internal storage. It has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. In the camera department, the phone packs a triple rear camera setup led by a 200MP main sensor, followed by a 64MP night vision camera and an 8MP ultra wide angle lens that can also function as a macro lens. The phone ships with the latest Android 15, which is very nice, guys. So additional features include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, OTG, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It is rated IP68, IP69K. It is also military-grade standard 810H certified. And finally, the price. The starting price is expected to be around $400, but I'm just speculating. As I mentioned earlier, the device is not available, but it is expected to launch very soon. It's going to be available on Amazon and of course other multiple online stores. Anyway, these are the top features of the VMAX LR Pro. If the device is available, I'll share the details with you guys. And yeah, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.